Hello guys.
Hi guys.
So this is my cousin, this bacon girl. She's on laptop because I asked her to be on laptop because it's her first time. Yeah. So she is kinda new to this game but kinda good. So she wants to play Suspect first before MM2, so we're playing this first. Okay. We're skipping this. Okay guys, we're in the game and Jimmy is the killer. Jimmy needs to be careful because she won't like kill me first because she knows. She won't like kill me first because I know. Bro, just press jump. Space. Tapos na agad ako dito. Okay guys. Jimmy sabi ng hard time. Ano? 5-3. Why you keep spam jumping? Oh. Hirap ba yan? Oh my gosh.
Okay lang ako pag...
Bilisan mo Jimmy, malapit na kami finish.
Hindi ko nga eh. Ikaw nga. Ganito na.
Pag-kill?
Ikaw
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Oh, every video. Ito.
Hello.
No.
Labi.
Stay still. Famous account that I put next us here. Jamie, we're almost done. Press 1 if you're going to kill her.
Huh?
Press 1 if you're going to kill her.
Hindi ko nga mag-kill.
Ano ba ito?
Kahit ano to. Di ba talaga?
You're gonna die. Okay, go.
It's okay.
Yeah. Sabi ko na sa'yo kung hindi ko magana yung W, ito gamitin mo.
It's just so I don't know.
It's just a game. So good. Skip this again. Okay guys. Killer. So I have to be... Yeah. I have to be not suspicious. It's like I'm too.
Let's accuse the time.
Paano niya alam? Paano niya alam? Huh? How did you know? Pam 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 pam. Pam pam. Okay, both of me and Jimmy are survivors. What happened to the truck? Oh, my task is there. I got killed. I got killed. I don't know who.
Let's... Hello. Hindi natin siya hello.
Nandito pala voice chat? Nandito ako. Bakit ikaw ni-accuse? Oh, hell no, they voted Jimmy out even though she's literally just innocent. Okay guys, we're just what's it again? We rejoined. And I'll keep asking her if we could play MF2. But she doesn't. She's saying hi right now to the chat. Bro, talk. Can you at least talk in a video?
Hi.
She's almost the same age as me, but it's still not her birthday, so we're not the same age. So let's wait for the round to start.
I said,
Okay guys, I'm survivor. Let's go to the test now. Oh my god, why is my task always here? It's like Among Us. Oh my gosh, it's now outside. I think it's straight. I think I found the body. Oh damn, I think it's the girl. I think it's Evelyn. Yes. Yes. We know it's Evelyn. We already know it's Evelyn.
Yes, it's me. It's Evelyn.
Hindi talaga. Doon na kami tatlo sa outside naman nakita ni Jake. Yun ano? At least I tried. She only killed like one. Jay, ayaw mo mag-PLM, you sin? Killer. Killer at this map kinda sucks. Ba't ko sasabihin sa'yo?
Guys. It's the Lala. Guys, it's the Lala. What's gonna go?
It's me. I don't like being the killer animais. Animais?
Pag-doon ko.
Saan?
Sa dress.
I don't like being killer animais. Mama. Bro, can we just play MM2 now? Oh my gosh, why won't you just play MM2? Why do I keep getting killer? Why do I keep getting killer? Try not to be sus. Try not to be sus. It will be okay.
Ayun ko.
Kaya gusto ko nung MM2 eh.
Ayun, pang tinakaan ko ano. Pag kila ako. Pag ano ako, sige. Ano ko. Ayun. Ito yung Jollibee.
Oh my gosh, your dead body. Me faking. Okay guys, I'm just gonna leave so they win. Okay, so we're playing MM2. At least I'm not on a speed must industry iPad, I'm on phone. I love my level. I love my level. Okay. Uy, sino ang murder? Lalaki. Ikaw ba yung murder? Patay mo sila babae. Ay, ano? Yung black girl baba. Yung black girl. Oh my gosh. The way we switch so fast.
Forever.
Ba't ganyan ka magsabi ng Victoria? Mine is Victoria Express Soda. Just kidding guys. Pero magpili ka naman ng ano. Mag-vote ka naman. Vote ka talaga. Dito yung Milbase. Maganda yung Milbase ko eh.
Yung nga ko eh.
Yun na din favorite ko. I voted Milbase 2 times. Okay. It's kinda hard to be on laptop unless if you know what you're doing. Ready, Sheriff? My payback! But only if I was on laptop. So if you're Sheriff and you need help, just ask me.
Medyo gusto ko yung pag-share ako bibigay ko.
Pwede yun! Ooh, we get you. Eh! That's why I love being Sheriff unless if they like to spawn jump.
Bro, how did I die to?
Oh, what the sigma?
What's that signal?
Bro was talking about me because she was saying how did she die even though it's literally the point of the game. I literally air shot her. Yes, kid, I did it. Am I the only one that cannot chat with yan? No. Jay, be careful.
Pwede ako dito. Pwede ako dito.
Jay, nagkapagat ko ano tinitch ko sa'yo.
Gusto mo matay, be? Dito.
Mr. Summer.
Be, ba't ka po kasi tumitingin?
Ikaw nagtitingin na eh. Be, sinushow mo agad habang pwede mo mag-press 1. Alam na nila murder ka.
Be, ha?
Alam na nila ikaw murder.
Be, ayoko na, ikaw na.
Gusto mo shot ko na ikaw?
Ayoko. Gusto nga kasi naging dito sa pala.
Dito ako.
Ako na. Press mo lang kasi ito. Ha? Press mo lang yung one ko. Ano ko, effort mo? No kill. Ano mo? Ang hirap. Oh, ako na. Okay. Ano naman dyan? Tapos lagi hindi victory.
Kailan kung hindi ka nag-victory tayo?
Pulis hindi ako victory.
Why was she just standing?
Yeah.
Where's that time? Where's that thing?
Press ko kasi ito. Medyo siya. Nandito siya sa ano. Ay, hindi na. Lumabas na siya. Nandito siya sa ano. Ay, hindi na.
Ay, kala niya. Okay guys, I was just talking to my cousin. I was just using the laptop. That's why I was spectating because she was the one that lost my phone. Milbase for life. Milbase for. Did you forget if I said if the I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do a stick jump. I think it's called that. Yo, Sheriff. Do you need help with Sheriff or not? I said that. Oh, why are you shooting me? Jimmy, you know, both of us are gonna die. Oh, yellow girl is murdered. Shoot! Ba't ayaw na ako, okay? What that box? She's from jumping. Oh, pinatay ka! Stomp jumper! Oh my gosh, bro, stomp jumping in 2026. Why do people always stomp jump? Just to win. Like, just jump every time the sheriff is trying to shoot or just juke them. Hey guys, me and Jimmy are innocent. Jimmy is AFK because she wants to watch some. She's speaking up. Oh my gosh! Can the people that are
Okay lang yan talaga, Jimmy. Ano? Ganito lang, oh. Like, press mo lang yung F. Kung gusto mo full screen, F. Feel base, ha?
Jimmy doesn't literally understand. Why those people don't understand how to flip it? Or arrow with grams. Oh, no, I'm not ready. I'm innocent pa. The secret of a mimic. How can you go at me and pretend I'm someone you never met? How can we go back to being friends when we just shared a bed? How can you look at me and pretend?
Dito to, baby. Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Joke. What's the gun?
La la la.
Back. Yeah. At least can you talk while we're videoing? You said you want to video but you're not even talking.
Ay,
Lalagay ko talaga ito sa 2 times speed. Yung video.
sorry na. Hi, guys.
And hype Nikki being a real diva. Oh hell no, I'm not reading. The gadgets that I have are literally just gifts. What? How you not dead? How you not dead yet? You need help? Oh, now you died. Because the sheriff was not shooting.
Guys,
Oh my god. Oh my god!
nag-face reveal na ba tayo?
Hindi.
Tayo mo mag-face reveal.
Jim, andito yung favorite mo map, Hotel 2. I said I don't want to trade. You don't even know. I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade, sorry. Innocent. You innocent. Why is this always the like smartest spot when they like? Innocent! Sinabi ko na innocent eh. So guys, I'm talking in my new language. I brought the heat back, and you know where's the married. Oh my gosh, everyone is just acting like innocent and you just AFK. I don't know why. Okay. What's the gun? Me want the gun. Oh, the cockroach has the gun. Cockroach has gun. I'm gonna shooting, please. Give me it. Galaw. Kasi ginigalaw mo na.
Ayaw ko naman ito.
Kasi naka-shift lock ko. Oh my gosh, I got scared. Oh my gosh. Why? I watched them. Chills. Oh, no. Where's the cockroach? It's too loud. Oh, factory. Facility factory. Okay guys, so my cousin will just watch. My cousin will just watch, and when she wants to play other, she's just gonna open Roblox. Sheriff. Ako dentist. Hindi ako dentist. Me not dentist. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I got jump scared so bad. Can you stop sleep?
They're almost getting scored.
So guys, this is the end of the video. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
See you later on the next video.